I'm Homeworks by Precept Consultant Carabeth. I have been homeschooling my children with BJU Press homeschool materials since 2016. We are going to take a look inside the Elementary Spanish Kit A. This kit contains 3 levels and is designed for levels 1 through 3, but can be used for all elementary ages. There is a Kit B for levels 4 through 6. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the kit.
Here's a quick look at what comes inside the kit. Chaco the puppet, who will be a part of the everyday lessons, a passport, which is a booklet of the content descriptions, video segments on DVD, which are also accessible digitally on the Homeschool Hub. Simply go to the Homeschool Hub, assign the course, go to view lesson, and then you'll scroll down, and if there is a video available for that day, you will find it at the bottom of the lesson plan. Listening and songs CDs, teacher edition, teacher read aloud books, work text books for each step, and visual teaching charts. Let's take a look inside the teacher edition. Here you will find the contents page. On the introduction page, you'll find information on why teaching Spanish is a good idea. The next page will share the goals of this kit. Number 1 invites children to enjoy the rewards of learning a foreign language. Number 2 establishes habits that further fluency. Number 3 provides comprehension skills and provides appealing practice at the earliest steps. Number 4 encourages parents' participation in the learning process. These next few pages will cover the materials that are included and give a description of each. The teacher edition, which includes family character visuals, mascot visuals, preparing numbers and assessments, teaching Puppet Chaco to engage children in learning, 16 read aloud books, 3 work text books, teaching charts, CD set, and DVD set. On the next 2 pages, there will be sample pages here that explain what each section of the lesson pages are for and how to utilize them. Here we have reference materials and Spanish pronunciation. On the following pages, you will have the scope and sequence for each unit. Here you'll find the lesson number and the resources needed for each. Lesson pages, work text pages, read aloud book needed, BATs and Bible promises, vocabulary charts, and conversational vocabulary and commands. Here you'll find a brief description of the current level mascot. There are also book suggestions that your child may enjoy while on their journey to learning Spanish that are published by Journeyforth. Next, we will cover what a typical unit will look like, what will be taught, learned, and the resources available. This curriculum is designed to be done 2 times per week. On these pages, you'll find skills to be taught and learned, objectives, a recipe that will be included once per unit, bulletin board ideas, a Let's Check section that gives you an optional assessment, book nook that discusses the benefits of read alouds, cultural tidbit that gives you insight to the culture within the language, vocabulary overview. This unit focuses on family names, greetings, numbers 1 through 10, and conversational vocabulary. Background information, which includes Bible promises, teaching a song from English to Spanish, and show it, know it. On the next few pages, we will cover what is within a typical week's lessons. Each unit will begin with Bible time that will carry on throughout the unit. This will include materials needed in preparation. You will have prayer time, Bible verse, Bible truth, and the Bible song, missions minute, and you will find the music for that unit song on the next page. Lesson 1 will go over materials needed for the lesson, preparation you will need to do, which is very little since this curriculum is open and go, Bible time and teach it, which is the core part of the lesson, and wrapping it up, which is a time for review and closure. Lesson 2 will consist of Bible time review, practice it, which will include a work text page, which will occur every other lesson, and looking ahead. Some other sections you will find within each unit are review it, book nook, show it, know it, play a game, and culture. Steps are color-coded so you know where each step begins and ends. The curriculum will follow the Garcia family throughout each step. Moving on to the back matter, you will find many resources such as Bible action truths, Bible promises, Bible verses, Bible truths, names in Spanish, games, making a piñata, songs, visuals, reproducibles, work text pages modified for upper elementary, Let's Check assessments, Let's Check answer keys, glossary, index, and photo credits. Let's take a look inside one of the work text books. On the cover, you will find which step and kit this work text is for and the mascot for the year. Here you will find a letter to the student, and on the next page you will find a letter to the parents. This work textbook contains 64 practice pages. These are designed to be done every other lesson. Each page will offer a variety of practice opportunities that may include coloring, cutting, writing, or use of stickers, which you'll find in the back, and distribute each unit. In the back, you will also find a certificate of completion. And we have the same formatting for Step 2 and Step 3 work textbooks. Let's take a look at the read aloud books. Each step has 5 or 6 dedicated read aloud books that will be used throughout the year. The opening page will give story translation and an understanding of the terms. Here is a quick look at the inside of one of the readers. At the end, you will find vocabulary to practice and questions to build critical thinking skills and give an opportunity to your child to answer in Spanish. Naturally, the readers will become more advanced as your child progresses through the year and each step. Let's take a look at the teaching chart visuals. Each chart will have a visual on the front and then context for you as the teacher on the back. These charts are used for Bible time, learning colors and shapes, learning food items, learning the alphabet, learning about the culture, getting to know the Garcia family, months, numbers, and so many other things.
I hope you enjoyed this look inside of the Elementary Spanish Kit A. If you have any questions regarding this Spanish course or anything else BJU Press homeschool related, please feel free to reach out. Be sure to subscribe to the Homeworks by Precept YouTube channel to see more look insides like this.